judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Mr. Gunamutu Iman and studying Standard 50B. Today I am going to narrate you with the interesting story of two pots. My story goes like this way. Long ago, there lived a potter named Raman who made pots for a living. One evening when he was busy in burning wet clay pots in the kiln, one of the red pots saw him and got scared. Then the Raman got tired and returned home thinking that he would burn the extra pots the next day. As soon as the Raman left, the scared pot said to the other, "Hey friend, I'm really scared to see our fellow pots burning in the kiln. Not just them, even hate us too. Oh my God, my body would be burned. It is not mean how you feel. It is our duty. I don't want to do any duty. I have decided I won't put in the kiln. Friend, kiln is the place where we find our shape and purpose. What will give us beauty and shape? I am not listening to you at all. I will request our son does not put me in the kiln." And the pot kept silent for the rest of the night. And the next day when the Raman came, he put the pot and put it into the kiln. And now it was the scared pot turn. When the Raman came closer, the scared pot said to him, "No, Raman, please don't hit me up. I'm better off this way. If I don't hit you, there is no point in making you. Why you don't want to be hit? Raman, my body would be burned. It is no matter how you feel. If you will work hard in it, you will live your life happily. If you get lazy, your life would be wasted." Raman tried hardly to convince the pot but failed. And the pot began to think, "Thank God, I am not able to escape now. Raman will not put me in the kiln," and felt happy. Soon it was summer. Raman put the pot full of water on the ground, and it was the scared pot turn. And the scared pot said to the other, "Hey friend, if you have listened to me, you will not able to carry the weight of the water today. I am happy the way I am. I am thankful to Raman for making me useful. It is totally useless to talk to you. Go on chasing your purpose." And all the pots were get ready and got sold. One day it rained heavily, and the scared pot was strong enough to survive the rain. The undone pots began to melt on the ground. In his last moment, he said to the other, "Come to me, my friend. If I have listened to you and Raman, I will live for today." And the pot began to melt on the ground and lost its shape. The moral of the story is, if we work hard initial times, we will live your life happy. If you slack off and get lazy, our life would be wasted. In the other words, idleness is a curse. Thank you.